Hey everyone, Scott here with Anatomy and Clay, and today I want to walk you through our clay combo kit. This is the clay combo kit that comes with a typical human mannequin model, and I want to walk you through some of the features that makes this clay really unique. This is an oil-based clay that is specifically formulated for anatomy and clay. This is a professional level sculpting clay that is fantastic for sculpting, molding, really making all the shapes that you need to make on your models. This is a clay that is reusable, doesn't expire, and we've had some teachers that have been using this clay for well over 20 years in their classroom and reusing it year after year. Next, I want to walk you through the clay colors and what they represent and what we suggest using these colors for as you're building on the models. This is the terracotta color. This comes currently in 2 pounds, and the terracotta represents the muscles as well as tendons. Next is our natural or buff color. And if you want to get a little bit more detailed on your builds, you can use this color for tendons or cartilage and really refine some of that detail on your models. Our next color is red, which is mainly used for building arteries, but can also be used for building organs, such as the large intestine that you see right here. We have our yellow color, which is used for building out the nervous system, can also be used in parts of the brain. After that, we have our green, which is used for building out the lymphatic system, which you can see in our Torsican model here. And then we have our blue color, which is used for building veins. It's also used for building some organs, such as the intestine here. And then lastly, we have our orange color. This color is kind of a miscellaneous color that's used for building parts of the intestine, parts of the brain, and other organs on your build. One thing to keep in mind is the colors that we just walked through and what we assign them to are our suggestions. So if you do need to get creative and use a different color for a different build or to really stand something out on your build, feel free to do so. We encourage you to have fun with your learning experience and hope you get a lot out of it.